Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the CT Sounds Dual 122600W Complete Bass Package, a complete car audio solution designed for bass enthusiasts who want powerful low-frequency performance without the hassle of matching separate components. If you're searching for an all-in-one bass upgrade, this package stands out because it combines dual 12-inch subwoofers, a professionally loaded enclosure, and a matching amplifier into a single system. Instead of spending hours researching compatible equipment, CT Sounds delivers a setup engineered to work together right out of the box. The heart of this package is the pair of 12-inch subwoofers mounted in a specially designed enclosure. Dual subwoofer systems offer increased cone surface area compared to a single subwoofer, allowing them to move more air and generate deeper, more impactful bass. Whether you listen to hip-hop, EDM, rock, rap, or electronic music, the dual driver configuration helps create a fuller and more immersive listening experience. One of the biggest highlights is the impressive 2600 watt maximum power capability. While peak power ratings don't represent continuous output, they demonstrate the system's ability to handle demanding bass passages and dynamic music playback. The included amplifier is specifically selected to work with the subwoofers, helping ensure optimal performance and reliability. The loaded enclosure is another important feature. A properly designed enclosure plays a major role in bass quality, efficiency, and overall sound output. CT Sounds engineers their enclosures to maximize subwoofer performance while maintaining durability for long-term use inside a vehicle. For users upgrading from factory audio systems, this package can dramatically improve low-frequency response. Bass notes become deeper, kick drums hit harder, and overall music playback feels more energetic. The system is capable of producing the kind of bass that transforms everyday driving into a more engaging listening experience. Installation is also simplified compared to purchasing individual components. Because the amplifier and enclosure are already matched, users can focus on installation rather than compatibility concerns. This makes the package attractive to both beginners and experienced car audio enthusiasts. CT Sounds has built a strong reputation among car audio fans for offering performance-oriented products that deliver substantial output without reaching extreme premium pricing. This package continues that philosophy by combining power, convenience, and value. Overall, the CT Sounds Dual 122600W Complete Bass Package is an excellent option for drivers seeking strong bass performance, matched components, and an easy path toward upgrading their vehicle's sound system. If impactful low frequencies and powerful audio are your priorities, this package deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check out the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and audio reviews. See you in the next video.